Kamal of class 9 from UKV Oyan, standing in front of you for my narration. The topic that I have chosen is Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan. The short but stormy rule of Tipu Sultan was eventful in many respects. Its main significance lies in his strong opposition to the British in India. The English had never till then been confronted with a more formidable enemy than Tipu, who fought with the fierceness of the tiger and the tenacity of a bulldog. His life's passion was to drive the Britishers away from the country, for which purpose he used all his means, capacity, and all of powers, not sparing even his own life. He used to say that to live like a lion for a day is far better to remain a fox for 100 years. Now, let me give a brief information about Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan was the ruler of Mysore and successor of Hyder Ali from 1782 to 1799. He was born on November 10, 1750 at Divanahali in Kolar district. He was named Tipu Sultan after a saint, Tipu Mastan Aulia. He first experienced the war when he was only 13 years old at the year 1763, when Hyder Ali, his father, attacked Malabar. He fought 3 wars against the English protecting the Mysore. The first Mysore War in 1767, second Mysore War in 1780, and the third Mysore War, also known as the War of Seringapatam, in 1799, where he was died protecting his capital. He was a great, powerful and peaceful ruler. He inherited a power kingdom which extended from Krishna in the north to Dinangali in the south, about 400 miles in length, and from Malabar in the west to sloping Ghats in the east, about 300 miles in width. Now let us come to our conclusion. Tipu's character is certainly unique in the annals of our history. He was affectionate by nature and devoted to those whom he regarded as his friends. He was calm and calculating. He was never wantonly cruel. He was only harsh with those who conspired to overthrow him. He never compromised his ideals, never divested from his goals, which is most significant and inspiring. Tipu Sultan, the enlightened ruler who strove the state, was perhaps the most formidable enemy the East Indian Company had to contend with in its struggle against the Indian princely powers. It took the British almost 2 Mysore wars and many years finally to defeat Tipu. The English never felt secure as long he was alive. Thank you.